Now let's continue to rewrite radicals in mixed radical form, starting with the square root of 32. Well, let's make a factor tree for 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. You can divide 16 by 2 and we'll get 8. You can also divide 8 by 2. We'll get 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Wow, so we have 5 2's over here. So 32 is just 2 to the power of 5, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Remember that we can take out numbers from inside the radical, inside the square root, by pairs, if it's the square root. So here's what I'll do. We'll have 2 times 2, the square root of 2 times 2 times the square root of 2 times 2 times the square root of 2. This poor 2 is just sitting on its own. He doesn't have another 2 to come out of the square root with. And the square root of 2 times 2 is just 2, because that's the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2. That's the same, of course, over here. And we're multiplying all these things. And we just have a square root of 2 here in the end. Great. Write some equal signs here. 2 times 2 is 4. And we still have the square root of 2, the lonely 2 sitting over here. Fantastic. So we just have 4 square root of 2, and that's the mixed radical form of the square root of 32. How about 48? Well, let's make a factor tree for it as well. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Divided by 2, 12. Divided by 2, 6. Divided by 2, 3. Fantastic. So 48 is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And of course we're going to take out numbers by pairs again from inside the square root. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And we have the 3. Note, of course, that if I were to just combine all of these, and we're multiplying them, and if I were to multiply 4 by 4 by 3, I'd get 48. But of course, we want to simplify this and rewrite it in mixed radical form, so we won't do that. That would be walking in circles, right? So square root of 4 is just 2. Square root of 4 is just 2. And we're multiplying by that by the square root of 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4 square root of 3. And that's the mixed radical form of the square root of 48. That's it.